Telkom Institute of Technology organized the International Conference on Information and Communications Technology ICOICT 2013. The event theme is Smart System for the Convergence of Technology and Services. International conference was held in the Trans Luxury Hotel, Bandung, West Java, Indonesia.
ICOICT is an international forum for researchers from abroad and Indonesia to sharing knowledge in ICT field and the research experience in ICT. The theme of ICOICT 2013 is Smart System for the Convergence of Technology and Services. We chose the theme because IT Telkom was concerned to build a smart city. The important thing about the convergence in the theme of ICOICT 2013, namely the convergence offering a variety of services that are innovative, safe, lower rates, and quick access. Through ICOICT, we encourage and provide some opportunities from researchers to develop research and knowledge sharing in ICT field.
The conference hosts the presentations of 94 papers and presents 3 guest speakers. They are Professor Thomas Magedans from Germany, Professor Abdelhak Zubir from Germany, and Professor Hikmet Sari from France. In his presentation, Magedans was talking about the emerging smart communication infrastructures driven by convergence of technologies and services.
World Congress. In fact, we allowed to exchange Facebook pictures with RCS. So this means an integration of over-the-top carrier-grade IMS services in one application, which allows also network operators to benefit from the use of over-the-top services. We do quite a lot of work in HTML5 and WebRTC, so this means also the rollout of carrier-grade services becomes much easier because you use standard browser technology today, and so you don't need to deploy anymore a complex app on a phone and fight with interoperability.
Furthermore, Professor Abdelhak presents his topic. It is recent advances on the bootstrap for signal processing. In this talk, Abdelhak discussed the basic principle underlying the bootstrap methodology, then discussed about the bootstrap techniques for independent data, followed by the bootstrap techniques for dependent data.
Bootstrap resamples you require, right, to get good, accurate results. Okay? So that's the practical question that is of interest, and there is no answer to that. There are only guidelines. The bootstrap converges, and it has been shown analytically as the data size increases. But practically, when you implement it, you need a fixed size B, fixed size of resamples. Okay? So for that, we have guidelines. For variance estimation...
In his presentations, Professor Hikmet talked about the multiple access and power efficiency in wireless communication. In this talk, he discussed about the critical issues related to nonlinear amplifier problems in wireless communications and the development in multiple access technique to face these issues and increase power efficiency.
The signal received by the head end is an OFDM multiple. It's a signal, OFDM signal. This was the idea. And since you're sending signals from different user premises to the head end, actually you have no FDMA. So this is a very simple FDMA concept.
This morning, the unique chance to attend the first ICOICT conference here in beautiful Bandung in Indonesia. And I think the organizers did a splendid job in bringing together such a big audience and a full program with lots of interesting technical talks. So I unfortunately didn't have the chance to follow the afternoon due to other commitments here, but I am looking forward that there will be a second edition of this conference, which remarkably also got IEEE support. So in this regard, I'm really thinking that this could be a good start for a series of many more ICO-ICT events here in Indonesia and maybe in the surrounding countries.
Very good experience for the participant. They can exchange their knowledge and also can get to know the researchers from different countries. The next conference will take place in Bandung, Indonesia on April 2014.
My name is Keiko Shimazu. I'm an associate professor from Keio University in Japan. And this is the very first time to attend the ICT. And it is a very good experience, experience for me, because I could make a good relationship to the engineers and the researchers in Indonesia and Bandung and other countries. So I believe we make a much more strong relationship to advance the result of the research, and I think so. And so I'm very happy to see the women's engineers here. In Japan, there is a very few engineers and researchers, especially in the field of engineering field, but there are so many women, and so I'm very happy. So next time I will make a presentation in the ICT. Thank you very much.
We wish to express strong appreciation for our sponsor, Institut Teknologi Telkom, Kementerian Informasi dan Komunikasi, PT Telekomunikasi Indonesia, PT Telkomsel, and IEEE Indonesian section. We would like to thank for three distinguished professors from Europe. The first one is Professor Hikmet Sarip from France, and Professor Abdelhak Jubir from Darmstadt, Germany, and the last one is Professor Thomas Magedans from TU Berlin for the sharing previous time and the words of wisdom. We would like to thank for all participants and reviewers of ICO-ICT 2013, and we look forward for ICO-ICT 2014 next year in Bandung.
See you in Bandung and see you in ICO-ICT 2014.